Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to use the Flipgrid option for your Pick 2 assignment. So obviously, since you all did Flipgrid already last week, you've seen this before, but just in case you need a refresher. So go to 1.4 assignment, there's 4 options. You need to pick 2 of the options to complete. So if you want to do Flipgrid, click option 1, Flipgrid. There's directions here for how to use Flipgrid. This is like in-depth directions for how to use it. You can also just follow this video or just click through. So click the link below. Last week we had different classes. For this one, we're all just going to be on the same one. So click the link. It'll ask you to sign in. You should log in with Google with your Hiawatha email. You don't need to create an account. So it'll take you to this discussion board. Here's the discussion prompt. We want to know, what do you think about the dad? And we would love it if you use up, down, both Y. Okay. You should create 3 videos. They could be new videos or they could be responses. So we already have some response questions up for you. If you want to respond to Mr. Watkins on any of these, you can, or you can create your own. If you want to create your own, you just click this green button. It'll show you how to create the video. Or if you want to respond to one of these questions, you can. You just click on the icon. It will play. Mr. Watkins will give a question. Sorry, Mr. Watkins, for that screen grab. And then you just reply here with your video response. You need 3 in order to complete this option. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye.